Hello health buddies, Rapneet Bhala welcomes you back to her healthy recipes channel. If you're wondering how to make ginger infused honey, this is it. You need sliced ginger and pack them in a sterilized glass jar. Pack them tightly into the jar and then cover ginger with honey. Let the honey seep in and then add more. You need as much honey as can cover the ginger pieces. Add little and let it seep in, and you can add more to ensure that the ginger is fully drowned. Now add 4 to 5 cloves or lavang and 4 to 5 black peppercorns. I have also added 2 pieces of cinnamon. Initially I decided to make it only ginger honey, but then I decided to add these spices as well that are good for cough and cold. So add dalchini as well or cinnamon and cover with a bay leaf. You may need more than one bay leaf to cover everything under honey. You can pour little amount of honey over the bay leaf so that you can benefit from the bay leaf as well in the honey. You just want to make sure everything is covered and remains inside the honey. Now clean the sides with the tissue paper, cover and keep at room temperature. I kept it at room temperature for 10 days. Check every day so that there is no mold on top, and after 10 days it looked like this. The ginger started to float on top and the honey has a strong ginger smell. So this is your ginger honey is ready. Now strain it, and the honey is more like water at this stage and it has lost a lot of its viscosity. I make small batches of this ginger infused honey and keep it at room temperature. However, if you make a larger batch, you can always store it in the refrigerator for a longer shelf life. And with the candies, you can sun dry the candies and they will not dry out completely. I chew them, they are more like chewy, and you will enjoy these slightly sweet ginger candies. Ginger is an excellent home remedy for cough, cold. It's an anti-inflammatory, anti-allergic, antihistamine, antibacterial. It's good for digestion, promotes the secretion of bile juice and helps with nausea as well. You may take 1 teaspoon of the ginger honey syrup on an empty stomach every day, but remember it is still rich in calories. Take it for a few days, take a break, and then you can resume taking your ginger infused honey. I hope you like this ginger infused honey recipe as well as candied ginger. If you do, please hit the like button.